Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the fourth technical session on Electronics, Telecommunication and Information Technology of the annual International Research Conference 2014 of General Sir John Kothawala Defence University. This technical session is based on the theme of e-particles and electronics and will be chaired by Professor KKYW Pereira, Chancellor, University of Moratuwa. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to give you a brief introduction on Vidya Jyoti Professor KKYW Pereira. He holds the qualifications of BSc Engineering, MSc, PhD and is a Chartered Engineer FIE Sri Lanka and FIT UK. He is a Fellow of the National Academy of Sciences, Sri Lanka. Professor Pereira has been the President of the Institution of Engineers, Sri Lanka and the General President of the Sri Lanka Association of Advancement of Science and also the Chairman of the Institution of Electrical Engineers, UK, Sri Lanka branch. He is presently an Emeritus Professor of the University of Moratuwa and is the Chancellor of the University. In 1993, Professor Pereira was conferred the National Honours Vidya Jyoti by His Excellency the President of Sri Lanka for outstanding scientific and technological achievements including original research. He was also conferred with DSc Honoris Causa degree by the University of Moratuwa. Professor Pereira was the founding professor and head of the Department of Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering and the founding dean of the Faculty of Engineering, University of Moratuwa. Also, he later served as its president in 1972. He was the first founding chairman of the National Engineering Research and Development Centre in 1974, the first founding chairman of the Energy Conservation Fund and was a chairman of Lanka Transformers Limited. He also served as the chairman of the R.C. Clarke Institute for Modern Technologies from 1992 to 1997 and 2004 to 2010. Professor Pereira served as the chairman of the Ceylon Electricity Board from 1977 to 1980 and 1981 to 1988 and as secretary for the Ministry of the Power and Energy from 1981 to 1989 and 2001 to 2003. Sir, let me have the honor of inviting you to chair this session.
Thank you. Well, thank you for the honor of requesting me to chair this session. As you hear from my voice, my voice is not in a very good condition because I have had a cold in the last couple of days. But nevertheless, it is a great pleasure for me to be at this session and be with you listening to your research work. Without spending too much time, let us straight away start because already we are running late in time. Let us start with the proceedings of the day. May I first, before I invite Mr. Madhuranga, postgraduate student of Department of Electronics and Telecom, University of Moratuwa, I would also like to express my appreciation to the KDU and the staff members, dean and other staff members of KDU for organizing such a fine international seminar, high standing, and